Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Geiger counters fast in Growtopia. First, let's understand what a Geiger counter does. It's a crucial tool for finding rare items like the diamond lock. Charging it quickly means more efficient farming and better chances at valuable finds. We'll cover the two primary methods and pinpoint the best items to use for maximum speed. Get ready to boost your Growtopia farming game. One common way to charge your Geiger counter is by breaking blocks. While this method can be slow, it's accessible to everyone. Certain blocks, like dirt or cave background, offer a small charge when destroyed. You'll need to break many blocks to fully charge it this way, often thousands. This method is best for casual play or when you're already farming other items. The fastest and most recommended method involves consuming specific items. These items, often food or crafted goods, provide a much larger charge per use compared to breaking blocks. For instance, a single item might give you 100 or even several hundred charge points. This method is ideal for quickly getting your Geiger counter ready for serious treasure hunting, saving you valuable time. For the absolute fastest charge, focus on items like golden rations or certain high-value crafted foods. These can provide hundreds of charge points per item. A smart strategy is to gather a stack of these items, then consume them rapidly. Remember, a full Geiger counter needs 10,000 charge points. By using these powerful consumables, you can achieve a full charge in just a few minutes, maximizing your treasure hunting efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.